So today I want to talk to you about the LipSense Starter Kit and how to apply it. So when you first purchase LipSense, you're going to get these three. It's $55 for the set. It comes with a color, the glossy gloss, and the remover. It's going to work best if you have all of these three to begin with. What I love about LipSense is it's long lasting, and this tube that you get is the equivalent of 4 lipstick tubes. So it's going to last you at least 4 to 6 months if you wear it every day. Some colors I've had for a couple years. It lasts a long time, so it's really worth your money. When you first start using LipSense, you might have a tingling sensation or a burning on your lips, and that's because your lips are dry and they're not used to the product. So what LipSense is going to do is it's going to start exfoliating your lips and getting rid of all that waxy, dead skin and buildup from past lipstick. When you switch over to LipSense, you're going to want to get rid of your other lipsticks and glosses because they're not going to work well together. You just want to use this product alone so that it keeps your lips happy and healthy and looking good. Okay, now I'm just going to walk you through how you apply LipSense. So today I'm going to do a bright red so that you can see it really good, and I want to match my top that I have on. So you're going to start by shaking LipSense for 20 to 30 seconds. You want to do this because LipSense doesn't have any emulsifiers in it, so the product itself separates inside the tube. Alright, that should be sufficient. So you're going to apply 3 thin layers, and you always want to go in the same direction. The product does dry pretty quickly, so if you go back and forth, it'll kind of remove what you just did. So I usually start at the top of my lip and work down, and then do the other side. And then I go back and do the inside on the waterline. Here's layer 1. Then you're gonna want to let each layer dry just for a few seconds, and don't rub your lips together. Now if you make a mistake, you can take your oops remover, use the tip of the wand, and just come in and adjust that a little bit. Okay. And I usually dab my finger on it a bit to see if it's dry. If it's still a little tacky, then I'll let it dry for a few more seconds. Okay, now we're gonna do layer number 2. And you want to make sure you're doing very thin layers. That's gonna make the product last longer on your lips. So I usually scrape off the excess on the edge of the bottle. Okay, layer number 2. All right, last layer, number 3. Okay. All right. So without the gloss, your lips will stick together a lot. But as you can see, that's pretty amazing. Okay, now for the gloss. Look at that. No color transfer. So the color should stay for at least 4 to 18 hours depending on what you've eaten and things like that. Certain foods will break it down faster. But you should be good to go for pretty much all of the day. And then you'll just reapply this throughout the day to keep the color lasting. There you go.